Crack any exam in first attempt. Hello students, today we are going to give you an overview about features offered by Ease to Learn. In online exam preparation, you will get access to many features of Ease to Learn preparation course. We are going to discuss about these features. After signing up you will see the selected courses dashboard. You need to read the guide carefully. Here you will get detailed analysis of how you will crack any exam in 5 simple steps with the help of Ease to Learn features. You need to update your email ID if you want online teacher to answer your queries. You will get the study material by clicking on study material on your dashboard. You will see your subjects and topics in 2 formats. Now you have to select a topic of your choice and click on that topic to get your notes. You can even search for the desired topic. You will get updated notes for your specific topic. The study material will be in different formats like video, PPT, PDF, and web text. After completing any topic, you can assess yourself in Smart Learning section. You have to select any topic and then go to learning mode to practice that specific topic you have chosen. In learning mode, you can identify your knowledge gap and bridge this knowledge gaps with the help of ETL structured learning sessions. If you have started any new topic, then progress bar will show 0% progress. Once you attempt any topic, you will started seeing your progress bar showing different graph according to your progress. Try to solve question as many as you can, and you don't know answer of any question. You can click on help button to understand the topic and to get your correct answer. You will get options in help section, that is Tony AI, your personal AI teacher that will explain you the whole topic in simple and short language, and ETL help where you will get your notes to revise again that topic. If you chose Tony AI and got your answer, then after getting your answer you can select your answer for that question. Tony AI will give you full explanation and clear your doubt for that topic and give you correct answer of that question. After completing your practice session, you can submit that learning assessment and you will see your progress bar for that topic and analytics of that learning assessment, where you can see how many attempted questions were right and how much time you took to complete the assessment. After completing a topic in learning mode, if your progress bar turned green, then go to competitive mode and select that topic to give a test. You can create the test according to you. These tests are created by complete randomization process. You will not get any help in competitive mode. You have to attempt the whole test by yourself. After submitting your test, you will see progress bar and analytics for that test. You can assess your understanding and proficiency in specific subjects or areas of study. They help identify strengths and weaknesses, allowing for targeted practice and improvement. By focusing on individual topics, you can refine your knowledge and skills, ultimately enhancing your overall performance in the subject or exam. After submitting your test, you will get analytics of that test. After completing your topics, you can go to exam test, where you will get exam simulated mock tests prepared exclusively for your exam. All latest questions are given according to syllabus of the current year. These mock tests are made to exam ready you. You can check your speed and time management here. After submitting your test, you will get analytics of that test, where you will see your speed, accuracy and time management. You can check your drawbacks in the reports and analytics sections, which holds all records of all the learning mode test, competitive mode tests, and mock tests. You can check your overall performance. You can check the details of your attempted and unattempted questions of the test in View Answer section. You will get explanation of the question as well, if needed. You can get explanation of the questions by clicking Help button. You can get online teacher support if you have any doubt. You just have to write your query related to that question and send it. You will get solution. You can check your performance in detail, where you can identify your weak areas and then fill the knowledge gap of weak topics. Then you can attempt mock tests. Before working on your weak sections, practicing mock tests will be not fruitful, so try to bridge the knowledge gap before attempting mock tests. Next comes time management, which is a most important factor in your exam. Here you will get to know where you are taking more time and where you have to minimize your time. In comparative studies section, you can compare your rank with toppers and other students. You can add multiple courses from all courses section. After adding multiple courses, you can switch between the courses. To crack your exam, join us today and see your dreams come true. For any query, you can contact us on the given mail or contact number. All the best for your exam.